headmistress, respected chairperson Kanu Babu, and ladies and gentlemen of this village, and affectionate dear student. It is Republic Day. It is also 75th year celebration of Republic Day. Today, everywhere and every corner of India, all are celebrating this auspicious day very joyfully. So we are also celebrating this day very happily. And today we are standing under the tricolor flag. And today we will take oath that one day we will be great and we will be the responsible for the for our country. So today we will take oath that we will do something good for the betterment of our country. You all know that once British government had ruled India for about 200 years. So that time we had lost our all freedoms. So that time we are living our life like miserable. So the time has changed and now we are freedom and the freedom fighters we are like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Jawaharlal Nehru. They all have sacrificed their life and they have given us this beautiful freedom and today we are enjoying our life happily. So dear student, you also will be the responsible for this country and one day all responsible of India will fall on your shoulder. So you should learn from today that what you will do and how you will do, and from now you should learn the best thing and good thing from all elders and from your teachers. So I am not going to deliver my speech anymore and I am concluding my speech here. Jai Hind.